Hello students, welcome to you in science class. As you know that in previous lecture our lesson number 11, light, sound and force. The chapter name is light, sound and force. So in this chapter we will discuss about three topics: about light, about sound and about the force. So today we are going to discuss about only one topic, that is first number light. Okay, light Hindi meaning is रोशनी. Before starting our topic, tell me, can you see me? Can you see me? Yes, because you can see me with the help of your eyes, or any other object you can see with the help of your eye, and eye is known as eyes. It is your sense organ. It's clear? So with the help of your this sense organ you can see the objects that are present in your surrounding. But if there is a condition when I switch off the light, yeah, there is the night time, that you can see the objects and their eyes are also open? No, because there is something not present, yeah, there is the absence of something, that is light. अगर आप रात के अंधेरे में कुछ नहीं देख पा रहे हैं, अगर आपकी आईज ओपन है फिर भी आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, इट मीन्स वहां एक चीज प्रेजेंट नहीं है, दैट इज लाइट. सो लाइट क्या करती है? व्हाट डज लाइट डू? दैट मेक द थिंग्स विजिबल. लाइट मेक्स द थिंग्स विजिबल. विजिबल मीन्स दृश्यमान. इट मीन्स जो चीज आपको फिर दिखाई देती है. सो लाइट इज द थिंग, एनीथिंग दैट मेक द थिंग्स विजिबल, जो किसी भी चीज को विजिबल बनाती है. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ आई वी कैन सी दैट. फिर हम उसको देख सकते हैं अपनी आईज की हेल्प से. सो इट्स क्लियर. व्हाट डज लाइट डू? लाइट मेक्स द थिंग्स विजिबल. ओके, सो नाउ टेल मी, डू यू नीड एनी objects that give us light in the daytime? No, because there is the presence of sunlight in the daytime. And in night time, we use something to get the light, like as a torch, bulb. Understand? These are the objects that we are used in the night time, and in daytime we see the things with the help of sunlight. So there are two things. This is natural and this is artificial, that is made by the man in the factories or in the companies. It's clear? So other objects, give example like as a marker that I have, marker, fan. Can these objects also be used to get the light? No. So there are two terms. First, that emit light and that do not emit light. On the basis of the giving emitting light. First, luminous. An object that emit light on its own. Examples: sun, star, torch, bulb. And here sun, star are the natural luminous object and torch, bulb are artificial luminous object. It's clear? Second thing is objects that do not emit light on its own. Only one difference, that do not emit light on its own, they are known as non-luminous object. This is the second number. Only one difference. It's clear? Example are fan, table, book. you can give any other ball. It's clear? So there are two types of objects that give us light and that do not emit light. I hope you understand this. Okay. Now, if there is a torch and when we switch off this, then the rays go spread in the surroundings. It's clear? When you put any object like as a book, if you present it, place it in front of the ray of the light, what happens? You see a darkness behind there. Okay, and if there is another thing, and when you switch on the torch and you place a glass means kanch, in front of that, then you see there is no darkness behind that. So from here you understand that when you place one object, you see the darkness, and in other case you see that there is no darkness behind it. So what is the difference? Difference is that there are two types of object placed in front of the light. In this first case, this object is opaque object that do not pass the light, and this is the transparent object that pass the light. ये ऑब्जेक्ट लाइट पास नहीं करता है तो इसके पीछे अंधेरा होता है. ये ऑब्जेक्ट लाइट पास करता है जिसको हम ट्रांसपेरेंट कहते हैं. सो इसके पीछे डार्कनेस नहीं होती है. सो दिस डार्कनेस इज नोन एज परछाई. In English, this is shadow. So this is a shadow, parchai. So when does it formed? When an opaque object block the path of light. And when does a shadow not formed? When a transparent object pass the light. It's clear? So second thing is there are something you can observe from here that light travel in a straight line, not in a zigzag motion. If something block the path of the light, then it cross it from the sides. No, it travel in a straight line. It's clear? How does the light travel? Light travel in a straight line. It's clear? So from here you also know that there are some characteristics of the shadow. It's always black in color. If this book color is red, so shadow color is black. It's clear? So from here object is in any color but shadow is always in the black color. And it always formed. This is the characteristics of the shadow. First is shadow is always in black color. Clear? Second thing is shadow always formed opposite to the source of light. Means अगर source of light ईस्ट में है तो शेडो किस साइड होगी? वेस्ट में, हमेशा ऊपर होगी. टॉर्च अगर आपकी ऊपर, सोर्स ऑफ लाइट अगर आपका अप में है तो शेडो डाउन में होगी. इट मीन्स शेडो ऑलवेज फाउंड अपोजिट टू द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. और फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट book size is this and shadow size is big. So you can observe that shadow not same size to the object. It can vary from source of light, the angle of the source of light. जो light का source है उसके angle पर depend करती है. When it is in the mid, दोपहर जो नून होती है, in noon time you can see sun is on your head, then shadow is very short. In the morning and evening you can observe that shadow is very long. So it's vary from the angle of the source of light. I hope you understand this. And you can do different activities by the hands. जब आप hands की shape बनाते हैं तो उनसे आपको different shadow में shapes नजर आती हैं, तो आप ये activity घर पे करके देख सकते हैं. Okay student, I hope you understand this. आप इस activity को अच्छे से करेंगे and from page number 94 and 95 in your book you read it. If you have any doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you.